So this app right here creates instant 3D mockups that actually sells the print method. So as you can see right here, it tells you, it shows client exactly how puff print will look, how 3D prints will look, foil patches, all over prints, and so many more. So most decorators will understand exactly what I'm talking about here. So if you ever stood next to a client and they're telling you, okay, yes, let me see exactly what it will look like, and you pull up a mock-up showing them their design, but it doesn't really show the print method. So they struggle to actually give you a yes, right? So they go back and forth and they never really tell you, send me the invoice. So easy mock-up now, completely built with AI, is going to help you create faster opportunities to get the clients to say, yes, send me the invoice right now. So let me show you exactly what it is. Spend some time and check out the homepage over here. I'm going to leave the link down below. I want to start right off this jump. You can see transparent pricing right here. So right now at the time of this video, the price of this is cheaper than one ruined shirt, right? So you can pay exactly just $5 a month. Again, the time of this video. This price might change based on the demand. All right. So you can see there's that, just $5 a month. So let's jump in, create your account and sign in. So I'm already inside of Easy Mockup. You can see right off the jump right here, this is everything that you have. It's a one pager. I'm going to go through each and every part of this. So I'm in the admin account right here. You can see it says admin. This tab right here says design. Over here now is the first step where you can actually bring in your design and save it in. So we're going to come up here. I'm hit upload design and I'm going to bring in designs. All right. So I have some designs already saved up in here and I'm just going to choose one that we can use. So just choose one of your designs. For example, I'm just going to go with this one right here that says t-shirt printing school. Okay. So I got my design and it showcases your design right here in the mock-up preview. All right. So now let's go ahead and walk through this. First thing, decide on the type of garment you're going to do. Garment placement, I'm going to do it in an adult size right here. And now you have the different types of garments. You have tops, outerwear, bottoms, headwear. So we're going to go through, let's say for this example here, I want to do a t-shirt. Okay. So I got my t-shirt. Then I'm going to come over to the right here and select my garment color. All right. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to do, let's say for example, I'm going to do this royal blue. All right. So this is the part that makes this app stand out from the rest. You have the actual specialty method here. You got flat embroidery, you got 3D puff, right? You got 3D embroidery, DTF, all over print, Chanel, glitter, all of these, foil. These are functions in the app that is already built in and perfected, okay? Based on print method that I have worked on and I know customers are looking for. To actually see this is a game changer. So let's say, for example, we're going to go with, let's do the puff right now, right? So we're going to do a puff print. And then down here on the bottom here, you have all of the different placements already in. For example, let's go ahead and do a full front. Okay. Full front is ideally at like a 12-inch. Okay. So now you got everything. You can go ahead and hit generate. But on the far right here, you can see the puff height. You can actually adjust the height of your puff. So let's adjust this a little bit. Let's go to like 75 and then we're going to generate. So why it's generate, you can see right here, it's a little heat press rate over here telling you that it's generating your mock-up. So what I was generating, I created this app here based on experience and struggles, right? Most people are struggling with this problem. So I thought it would be much simpler for you. Again, this is all AI based. So a mock-up is going to take you less than 60 seconds. There we go. We have a nice, clean mock-up right here, ready to go. Okay, so you got a library down here. If I click on the zoom, you can see a full zoom of your mock-up. You can see it got that puff print, right? From this angle, you can see the design is raised, especially if you look at the shirt over here, right? It's pretty raised and everything has a dimension to it. So this right here, show it to a client and know what a puff will look like when it comes into their shop or into their hands. All right, so let's choose now from a t-shirt. Let's go to an outer gear. Let's use a hoodie for this example. Okay, so now let's switch it up from 3D puff. Let's go to the flat embroidery. All right, so we're gonna go on that. Next thing, I'm gonna go from full front. Let's do a left chest. Okay, left chest, full embroidery. Now you can also change the intensity of the thread. Intensity of the thread. Let's say I'm gonna bring my thread all the way to 100%. I got what I need there, embroidery. My garment type is still blue. We can change that. Let's put this on, let's keep it blue and just go ahead and generate. All right, so we have our embroidery right here, thread. Let's click on this zoom area so you can really see it. Now, if you look at this closely, you have a nice embroidered look of this garment. Okay, so you can see that customers now can see, oh, it's going to be an embroidery. This is ready to go. So this app is brand new right now, right? So it is a good time to come in and get it at that founder's price before price changes. So here's a beanie right here, generated, showing you that embroidery look right there. If I zoom in, click on the zoom function here, you can see it pretty closely. The threads are embroidered on there. So using the same logo now, let's go ahead and do the foil finish. So you can see that gold foil. All right, I have it on the hoodie. My hoodie is going to be black. And let's go ahead and generate that. Actually, I'm going to put it on the full front. Okay, so then we'll click generate. Like, tell me this isn't crazy, right? How many other apps gives you this speed and confidence right here of exactly what the print method is going to look like, right? This is amazing. This is something I wish I had when I was trying to really get clients to say, yes, send me that invoice fast, right? So if you got something like this in the palm of your hand, you're able to confidently tell the customer exactly what their design will look like based on what you can do. So all of these are available, all of these functions right here. Let me know in the comments what other print methods should we add. All right, not to make this long, so you can go ahead, hit the link down below and go and check out Easy Mockup for yourself. And I'll take all of the feedback and all of the comments in the comment section down below.